Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of April, 2023. Are there dangerous patterns being seen in Nvidia? The answer is no. I'm looking for the price in Nvidia to now go up, and let me show you all why. All right, so first of all, did a price prediction in Nvidia on the 14th or the 15th of April, looking for the price to go down. And you guys can tell we've seen instances to where price has garnered some weakness, namely right here on the 20th and then again on the 25th, right? Now, I've been paying attention to areas to where buyers are, right? And the buyers are currently holding price here. This is the reason why I'm expecting price to now go up, okay? Because we've seen consistently how many times Nvidia has not traded below 264, 265. I mean, when you saw this weakness right here just a day ago, 2 days ago, this push to go down bar right here, the idea would be for the market to continue to go lower, but instead, market in Nvidia ended up 2.72% higher. What's really going on in the market in Nvidia then? If the sellers aren't really impacting the price, and obviously that means that the buyers are. So what we have here on our chart, we need to get rid of it and expect the price of Nvidia to continue to trend higher. So if we were to get out the market on the last trade of yesterday, we're down 0.69%. I'm not sure where my price targets were on my previous video. So go back and see that, because we did hit a minimum target area at 264, 262, 1.97%. Like I said, it wouldn't have been much because the market in Nvidia is definitely holding its weight. Now, next thing though is this trend line which I've created is being broken, right? It is no longer keeping in line with the trend, which is understandable because at some point all things come to an end. That trend is now over. So what we're going to do here is we're going to follow Nvidia on a consolidational trading range, right? So we're going to follow Nvidia in this trading channel. This is what we are looking forward to for Nvidia. Okay, so this is the near-term price action in Nvidia. This is what's going on. Market currently is bouncing in between 264 and 280. Now, we're maintaining that Nvidia, if anything, is going to reach to 276 to 280 in our targets. Looking at Nvidia on the 2-day chart, we have 8 hours and 35 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar, and if the pre-market is going to be a reflection as to what price is going to close, then the market's going to close up here at the high end of the bar. Okay, it's going to close up here, which is going to tell us that we're going to look for the price to continue to shift up. Okay, now I'm not here to tell you that price in Nvidia is going to break out though. We really need to see market buyers take the sellers out at 280. That is where we'll know when Nvidia is going to break out. Okay, so I'm not saying that we're going to break out now, but I can tell you that buyers is holding the market. Okay, and here in the next 5 days, well, not next 5 days, next 8 hours and 34 minutes. Okay, this tells me again that buyers are holding the market, because here on this 5-day bar, we should have seen price in Nvidia go down, but it didn't. And in the next 8 hours, if the market in Nvidia closes up here at the high, then it still tells me that the buyers are accumulating, stashing, building up their shares in Nvidia because they're still looking for the market to go higher. This is an accumulation right here. It's what I'm telling you. That's what we're currently seeing in the market. Now, if price gets rejected here at 280 a third time or a fourth time, then definitely this has transitioned over into majority of the market selling their stash. But as of right now, we're going to look for the price in Nvidia to trend up. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we're working with. We're going to give the market some cushion though. We want to see price hold 264, but even if it falls down to 256, we're cool. It's only 5% loss in that particular round. Our first target is going to be 275. It's already there in pre-market, so you probably won't even be able to grab that once the market begins to open. 2% there. My second target is going to be up there around 280. That's 3.77%. 280. Now let's zoom out to see if we can get another target. Third target will be 288. Okay. That is it. Give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.